Hey, here we are at less than 600 meters to Maderas Beach. We are at the entrance of the bay and we have next to us Selina Hotel and another hostel, so it's a very commercial place. Everyone has to pass by this area to join Maderas Beach. So here we say that it's a commercial lot for us. It will be an hotel, a restaurant. So here we have like 4,000 square meters. So it's 1 acre property. I show you the draw of the lot. Here. We'll have the dimension of the lot and more information link on this video. So it has a well. The connection to the light will be made from the street,